disassemble the machine, we can start from the lid. We can just remove this metallic part and we take out the lid. Then we can also disassemble in front this one, very simple. This one, just lifting it up and removing. And also this one, just lifting it up, putting to 45 degrees, like this, and take it out. So, all very simple. Then we go into the beater. We just remove this, take out the plastic part, and lift everything up. Once that we have the beater out, we can also remove this metallic part, just moving like this and pulling. Thanks. And the last one is here. Here, to remove the plastic scrapers, we need to twist this little metallic part on this side, so we are able to lift it. Thanks, Tatis. And it's done. Perfect. Once that this one is disassembled, we can disassemble the piston, that is the last part. To disassemble the piston, we need to use this tool. There is a specific tool. As you can see here, we have something that matches with this screw. So we just unscrew it. Before unscrewing it, we need obviously to lift the piston up as it is now. So it must be completely closed. Then we take this out like this, and then we use the other side of the tool to enter here, screw it in a little bit, and now we are able to just pull and take this out. Assemble the central beater. We start from the plastic scrapers with the metallic part that goes from the top, obviously, and we start putting the plastic scrapers from the smallest one to the biggest one. So we move the medium, then we arrive at the end with the last one. These, we have to put this plastic hole into this small pin, metallic pin. So we put it here, and then we enter like this. So the two shapes are matching, and we are able to enter like this. Okay, we enter in the hole at the end like this, and here we need to lock like this, entering and then twisting this part. In this way, the pin is not coming out anymore. Okay, so we just have to twist this part, this metallic part. So this one now, it's set. We can put it vertical. And the last part is this one. Here we have to remember to put the metallic scrapers at the bottom, obviously, and even easier to remember, this square part goes on top. So this one on top, and then we just have to enter here and find the right place. As you can see, in these three metallic parts, there is one with this round thing that is there just to avoid you to be able to place this metallic part on that side, because it will never enter. So in this way, you remember that you need to stay on the other two, and you just have to enter like this and lock. Okay? So very simple. So with the machining stop, we just need to press rec. Pressing rec, on the screen you see R14, that means recipe 14. It's the first program available. You have from recipe 14 to recipe 22. So we have 8 free spots for personalized recipes. And on the right you see P1, that stands for passo 1, so step 1. So this is the step 1 of the recipe 14. And we are able to decide the function that we want to make. Let's say that we want to cook, so we press the flame. At this point we are able to adjust the speed, the temperature, sorry. So select which temperature we want to reach and also adjust the speed. In this case is speed 1. We can do speed 1 but on and off, or we can do speed 2 or speed 2 on and off. Once that we have set the first step, we can move to the second step, pressing rec. So always recipe 14, step number 2. After cooking, for example, we could keep the temperature for a while. To keep the temperature for a while, we need to set a timer. The timer is set pressing the book, and here you have the timer. Obviously they are minutes, so you need to decide the time that you want. In this case, every time that you have a timer after a cooking or a cooling, the machine is going to keep the temperature. So now, to complete assembling the machine, we start obviously where we finished. So from the piston, we just enter into the place where it has to go, like this. Then we unscrew the tool, we put back the screw and we screw it in to lock the piston to the electronical movement. Okay, and then we just place the beater. If the beater is assembled properly, it will enter. If not, it will not. And then we just have to put the plastic cover and close with the metallic pin, finding the hole to close it. To complete it, we just put the lid back like this with the pin. Okay. And then in front we have this, and this always 45 degrees. We enter and install.